Pops.
Hello. Let me talk to you.
No. What is this waistband, man? Why you don't come off my phone?
Oh, should I get that man?
Baby mama drama. Stop use the pitney them against them own father. Baby mama drama. Try don't forget there is a thing when you karma. Baby mama drama. Stop use the pitney them against them own father. Baby mama drama. Try don't forget there is a thing when you karma.
I'm on that study, you know. What you want?
Me want to see my daughter, man.
Look here, I'm on that study. I want to the money when me tell you about. She feel like extra lesson and them something there.
What if I know one of them? Me don't understand. Like you with her husky. You understand?
Then what you expect if you pick me a study what you want me to do
So
with that?
they can help her study.
Anyways, pass the money. Cause remember me tell her say she have big all extra lesson and them something. They a barbecue I keep up at the school.
You know them gyal a mix up, no bombard. They hear a different story if them allow the kids to talk. If a payment ever late, or the youth them feel the rock. When me meet another life, me never know a social dog. Know my business all over social media.
$20,000 what is? Come back when you have 100,000.
This girl go spill, I got over a little broken heart. Everything we happen at the house, she can't go rock a talk. Every time she try to hurt me, look at me, you back going back. Baby mama drama. Stop use the pitney them against them own father. Baby mama drama. Try don't forget there is a thing when you karma. Baby mama drama.
Amanda, come on, tell the room that so girl. I come wash up the place. I want you to speak. I want you to know.
When you karma, drama every day karma.
You already see it. No problem. Alright, see you then.
So yeah, go look for Chantel. You know say I came to the supermarket today. Eh? I'm to the 100,000 we're supposed to give me this week.
100,000 you're talking about?
Me not tell you say I forgot preschool and them something there. Eh? So what on there? You take me and I take me two picnic them.
Remember I tell you say I have Chantel stuff and to deal with first.
Yeah, bed you spread for me, I inna it you a go lay me. That never touch a girl left me, they know as such a stay. I true, you don't know how much you put me every day. Me a talk facts, so you a go with your illusion. This bag a mix up a create be a confusion. You know me love me kids, them and me no intend to lose. One wicked baby mother find a new way, no off.
She beat me.
Beat her where?
You know some arms?
Where I beat her?
Me, little girl, me lick you.
Yes.
Me lick you.
Yes.
Over here, you see me here? Over here. A $20,000 me give you last week. People, the woman look for me and tell me that $20,000 you want 100 grand a week. The friend that girl are wicked.
Hi, baby daddy.
Hey, Raise. Walk on.
So why you be so strong for? Anyways, sick here. Anyways, I know that me call about. In for go school, you know, the preschool. And I go up there today, go check it out. And them say 150,000 if you pay by Monday. And the money where you did send me did use it and pay me light bill.
Yeah, I can't really do
Oh, well, if 60,000 represented 2 years ago, you was happy a year now.
No man, then look here, then they never did cut off the light. Me can't stay no.
No, but in birds. 60,000 represented on your 60,000 feet. Because 60,000 will be said, I will put towards that way to save their life. I'm going to not giving you another penny.
Baby mama drama. Stop use the pitney them against them own father. Baby mama drama. Try don't forget there is a thing when you karma. Baby mama drama. Stop use the pitney them against them own father. Baby mama drama.
I don't know how much you see, man. I cannot care for me, a baby mother. You're outside of here, but I think you did single. No, but you can't come here, no, come here, girl. You go outside of here.
Amanda. You give Amanda money.
You've been served.